Thank you very much. Right, 5.7, rates resolution. 2017-18, Tony Wilkinson. Have you got your name here, Tony?
Tony's shy, I think we need to get her up here.
All right, this is a mechanical item as well, I suppose, presume?
Well, this item is required to ensure that you have a specific rates resolution set for the 17-18 year, following on from the adoption of your annual plan. The information that is included in the recommendation is a replica of the information in our funding impact statement from the annual plan, but we need the particular resolution to ensure that the rates can be collected.
Sure. Thanks, Errol. Any questions of Errol, Neil, or Tony? No? Yeah, Councillor Truman.
Yeah, sorry, the question, I just wanted to draw council's attention on page 81, just with the water schemes, noting how much bigger Whakamaru and Aotearoa are compared to the other areas. That's all.
Price-wise, yeah. What is that?
It's because it's standard rate,
Yeah,
but yeah, just the attention, that's all.
okay. Thank you, Councillor Truman. Good point. They are quite a bit more than the rest, aren't they? All right. Where is the resolution? You recommend the whole recommendation, right? Yeah. Okay. Is everyone happy? Could I have a mover, please? Moved by Councillor Williamson. Seconded by Councillor Hickling. So the recommendations here as they are in the order. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against? Carried. Thank you very much.